Bitch, it's the baby, what you heard about me? I put that nigga up, now niggas acting nervous around me. I'm in the rental truck, sticked up like Walker, Texas.
Y'all not in the BrosWrld out here, man. You know how we rocking, man. Gonna hit y'all up with an AUX battle real quick, you know. Funniest niggas, littest niggas on the tool, you feel me? Make sure y'all know after this, bro, go ahead and drop that, you know, quick subscribe for us. Go ahead and don't forget to like. Go ahead and share it with your homies too, bro, you feel me?
All the homies, cuz.
Go ahead and explain the rules for them, though, Kenny. Go ahead and explain for them.
Alright, so we doing AUX battle today. It's gonna be meet my homie Allen, my bro AJ, Xavier Mitchell right here. You know, Big Key. And so
wait, tell me, why you get a nickname and I real nigga A? Fuck that bullshit. Real nigga A.
TBMJ, you know what it's saying for.
What the fuck is TVM still?
The Bang Man, nigga.
What the fuck you bang then?
Nigga on that gay shit today.
Oh, you gay.
Gay.
What's your shit then?
Xavier.
Lame ass nigga.
Fucking light skin, lame ass.
Alright, come on, bro. Finish explaining this to him, okay?
Alright, so our score battle today, like I already said, it's gonna be me and my boy Allen and my boy AJ first. We going crazy. It's gonna be me and Xavier, then it's gonna be Xavier and AJ, and then me and Allen, and then we're gonna have the championship round. Simple. Alright, let's start this shit up.
Let's go. Y'all ready? Let's get it, man.
Alright, let's get it, man. Let's get it.
I love the way she treat me. I love the way she fuck me. I love the way she suck me. I love things about her. I love the way she treat me. I love the way she fuck me. Scoochie. I'm a trapper hauler. All I do is ball till I'm all down out. Don't flag me down, see me downtown worry. I done mean this shit on you, excuse me, sorry. Verse so slick, make my video marvelous. Pull them to the
Alright, that shit was ass. Let me get on that, bud. Let me get on that shit, Cuddy.
Hell no.
That shit was ass. That shit was ass.
Fuck that.
Alright, bro. I'm finna hit y'all with this crazy fire for y'all niggas, bro. Got y'all these niggas, bro. I mean, I could play any song, you feel me? This nigga play fucking Gucci.
That shit really
Here we go.
Oh, they wanna check on me now. You don't really love me, admit it. I'm with a bitch from the west side of town. I got moms ghetto and pretty. I got that out and I pull it out now. You ain't the only one with it. I'm trying to go get the cake for my daughter like it's a birthday. Can you dig it? They tell me they like I do my little dance. I can't really dance, I be jiggle. And I'm about to hop on the flight out the Cali. Free dash, man, they got me prison. I gotta go sit down and meet with a label. They better be talking some meat. And if not, I go check on the price. On the point, come back to the city. Like fuck it, let's get back to work. Blow a kiss to the bitch on the flirt. Nigga feel my people, I gotta get even. You might as well pick out a shirt.
Respect the old school. That's all I gotta say.
Get respect.
Respect the old school.
Come on, bro. Keep it straight.
I gotta go with my boy Allen.
Thank you, bro. Appreciate it, bro.
I respect Gucci and all.
Nah, they don't respect the old school, Kenny.
Come on, Kenny. Come on, Kenny. What you got, bro? Keep it hot, bro.
Respect the old school, bro. Respect the old school, bro.
I feel like my boy Aiden should get another chance. He know what he was walking into.
Nah.
Yeah. Let me get another one. Let me get another one.
Next round when he play you.
Yeah, he got this next round. So he got this round. Who you got this round?
Yo, Billy, you wanna come out? Okay, for real, kids. Yeah. Okay, your pad just lagged. They calling me a crash. Don't rap this fucking nigga like a money diamond.
Hey, go ahead and cut that shit off.
That shit ain't it.
That shit ain't it. That shit was fire. I with it too.
Cruising down the street, what a freak. Jump on the seat. Okay, with a beam, let it eat. Push it on repeat. Buddy sweet, had her on my head. I just wanted bust on my neck. VVS on my teeth. Put a nigga with a scope, make him shake. 97 bullets left in this AR. Jump man, 23 play hustling. Ass nigga, you belong in the gay bar. I took your bitch and I fucked her face. Niggas don't touch me.
So who won?
Nigga, I'ma keep it a big buck.
Kenny.
Thou wow. Kenny, you got that
Kenny
shit.
got it.
Fuck, bro.
Kenny got it, bro. Yo, who said he play?
Yo, what's up? What you working with?
Hey. Whoa.
Hold on, here we go.
Fuck on the top of the don't get a straight. I'm in the chains that every day. I I get the money and stay out the way. I'm moving solo, can't fuck with the snakes. Pull out the bands and I got them ablaze. She'll fuck me for a new pair of J's. He tryna fix shop and eat the space. Take off your bitch cause you losing your pay. Bitch, where I'm from, my young niggas don't play. If it ain't them niggas, they clips on gays. Fuck all these hoes and I'm style my face. I can't fuck with you, too busy getting paid. All of my niggas keep me on the waist. Don't stay in my six in the shit that's safe. All of my shit that's the reason they hate. Yeah, I'm on the way. Just got the fame, took out 20,000 of flakes. I'm feeling like fucking nigga. If you get out of line, you get what that at. With that cutter, let it bang out your leg off. Shoot your gun at me and bitch, I bet we have a standoff. Screaming fuck the judge until them bitches let my mans off. Everybody wanna be the same, but I'ma stand off. All my niggas in the club and they gon' thug with me. I just look my party in this bitch and I'ma thug with it. Let a nigga sneak me in this club, it's gon' be up with it. Everybody with me for the truth.
Alright, bro. Y'all niggas.
That shit was ass.
That's all. That's all. That's what y'all turned up to, ain't it? Ain't it? No, nigga. Y'all gonna turn up.
He's on the cash on you. I just been ballin' out every season. Know some niggas out in the streets. I just ballin' the numbers, I got a phone in the phones out in the league. Time to peasant and running up, I gotta put the new bills inside the freeze. Back at the trap, I was ducking the people, ducking the birds, eating out the eagles. All of my diamonds gon' bust out the needle. I'm drippin' water, nigga, I can feed them.
Are we gonna buy his second song?
Yes, bro. Come on, bro.
That nigga did cheat like fuck.
You did cheat like
Second song was fine.
It was fine, Cuddy. I'm sorry, Cuddy. He got that shit from your dirty ass.
Let's go. Let's go. I'm sorry, bro. They didn't feel that shit at all, bro. I had to.
Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Come on now. Y'all already know what it is. What y'all do before y'all put it in here, Cuddy?
Smack ass.
Yeah! Before I put on my second hand record, turn on the flash. We gon' make a movie like Ray J and Kim Kardashian. Put her on the block list. That's if that pussy trash. I'm Polo G. Stressing who? It ain't a bitch that I can't smash. Probably fucked her too. It ain't a bitch that I ain't had. Man, this shit is nothing. You the type to hit and brag. Run your mouth so much, I'm starting to think you niggas fags. Hard for me to slow down, I got used to living fast. Bitch, I love the gang on granny. I get up, boys, my last. Fuck wrong with you, ho?
We ready, bro. I ain't never heard this shit, bro. So be open-minded.
Alright, open-minded. Alright.
Why you mad? Why you mad? Why you mad? Why you mad? That's all I wanna know. You're looking like a joke. Try humor at the most. Steady choking on your shade like a dick in your throat. Well, if you're gonna throw shade my way, maybe you should throw with a little more aim. It's a cold day in hell when they dirty up your name. They don't got no business talking in the first place. I'm freezing.
I feel like 30 seconds, man.
And nah, Cuddy.
No, I ain't fuck with that
Who
shit.
y'all got, Cuddy?
Hold on, no. Fuck all that. Fuck all that.
They already voted. They already voted.
Fuck all
They
that.
already
Fuck all that.
voted. They already voted. They already voted. They already voted. They already voted, bro.
I ain't vote for shit.
Polo G.
You ain't vote for shit, nigga. I'm
Polo G.
Polo G.
Whatever you can play was.
I'm knowing this what you want me to do. I'm about to make the news. I got inside and had it sticking like some glue. So baby, I'm knowing this what you want me to do. I'm about to make the news.
Was a good song, man, but
Hey, man, I love Fredo, bro.
wait.
Polo G got that shit.
Thank you,
bro.
I
I'm
appreciate-
sorry, bro.
Exactly.
I mean,
Alright.
Let's turn this.
Boys round here don't listen to the Beatles run. Old Bo Seifers threw a jukebox needle at the honky tonk where the boots stomp all night. Right? Yeah, the cold work, the digging in the dirt. Gotta get it in the ground before the rain come down to get paid to get the girl in your four-wheel drive. Yeah, the boys round here drinking that ice cold beer. Talking about girls, talking about trucks, running them red dirt roads out, kicking up dust. The boys around here, sitting up back to the man upstairs. That was legit, don't take no shit. True to
back and shoot it back and shoot it back and spit.
Yeah, nigga.
Dirty, bro.
Real nigga shit.
Y'all ready? I know the white people gonna love this.
Ah, shit.
He might have got you. He might have got you.
I hop to the plane on LAX with a dream of cardigan. Welcome to the fan of fame makes sense. Oh, am I gonna fit in?
Jumped in the cab, here I am
For the first time,
Look to my right and I see the Hollywood sign. It seems all so
crazy.
Everybody seems so crazy. My tummy's turning and I'm feeling kinda homesick. Too much pressure and I'm nervous. It's when the taxi mentioned on the radio and the Jay-Z song was on.
And the Jay-Z song was on. And the Jay-Z song was on.
Who won, nigga?
Hey, that gotta go to AJ.
Oh yeah.
Come on, Xavier. Come on, Xavier. Huh?
They go to Keon.
Yes, sir! Yes, sir!
Tiebreaker round.
Wait, keep it hot, Cuddy. Stop trying to do this thing. Y'all niggas ain't black. Keep it hot. You fuck if you like it, buddy. Go straight to scripting. Yeah, I'm so fun and games till a nigga tripping. Mind the floor, hide the west side just to catch him slipping. Pull up, bounce out with a briefcase. It's time to handle business. You don't fuck if you like it, buddy. Gon' respect the scripting. Yeah, I ain't so fun and games till a nigga tripping. Mind the floor, hide the west side just to catch him slipping. Pull up, bounce out with a briefcase.
It's time to handle this. All the black people doing dances and shit to it. They gonna be in the video dancing.
Yeah, I go ahead. You waited.
These niggas, I love the people. I love the people. I love the people, nigga. I love the people.
Let me out.
I'm really thinking. Remember them days, that shit was hard, a nigga been thinking. I would've phone in 20 ounce, a nigga been drinking. If you with the squad, I give you a hard.
Alright, now wait. Before y'all make y'all decisions, can y'all even name the artist to that song?
Fuck no.
But does it really matter?
It don't matter though.
Bruh, y'all gonna put him over Blueface though?
Nigga, did you get out the car and dance?
We ain't vote yet. We ain't vote yet.
Nigga, though, but listen. Listen though, Cuddy.
Go ahead.
Blueface, mop the floor, hide the wet sign.
It's not about the artist, it's about the song. Because if it was about the artist, I would've won with R. Kelly.
Come on, but let's respect my crippin', bruh. He let
Tell me one black mama that don't listen to R. Kelly.
Let's vote. I go first.
Go ahead.
Like, bruh, come on, bruh. Keep it high, bruh.
You like it, buddy. Gonna respect it. You know what I'm saying, bro? I don't know if you can top that.
All I'm saying is, if you got out
What
the
you
car
got,
and dance,
Kerry?
bro, you can't.
What you got, bruh? Keep it hot, bruh.
You can't do it,
Keep it
bro.
high.
Come on, bro.
I want the gang. I want the money.
Oh, wow.
Son, where'd you find this?
Damn, son.
Yeah,
I gotta throw it up.
hey,
Rest in peace, that nigga X, man.
yeah, hey,
I'm like a Georgia bless.
can't keep my dick in my pants.
Baby don't want me no more.
She get me out of life, bro. Diamonds don't wanna be friends. I give her this, yeah, man. She put her tongue on my dick. Look at my wrist about 10.
Just got a part of the booth.
My message straight to the booth. I mean my hip is a fool's. She said one for bitch I do.
I had to put my goddamn hood on for this shit.
Where the fuck is the
Okay, for my records. For that pistol, yo, it's pussy boy, records. When my set, wet like a pussy sauce. No, I kill. on the kill street. You pussy niggas Rice Krispies.
Okay. Hold on, before y'all vote, bro. Hold on. What's up? Bro, think about it, Cuddy. He ain't even know the word. But y'all gonna do
I didn't know
that.
I didn't know the word.
It's underground. It's underground. So we can.
We said hype. We said
y'all said hype songs.
And that was a hype. Hey. Fuck all that. AJ wins.
Straight like that.
Straight like that.
Fuck y'all bullshit, man. That shit wasn't even right, bro. Y'all niggas just
talk
mad.
Straight like that. Hey, that's what's
Damn,
up. Hey,
bro.
Thank you, bro.
bro.
Thank you, bro.
What's up, nigga?
Yes, sir.
Ain't no GG, nigga. I'll be back round. I'll be back, nigga. Fuck that bullshit. I got cheated out my win. Niggas, I played Look at Me. Them niggas was viewing, was going crazy. Alright. Hey, alright. I don't rap, but I'm gonna do this one time.
Right.
Cause y'all know that this is my time.
Awesome.
We on the way to the top, man, you know it.
Right.
Ain't nowhere to go but up. I can't really do this rhyming shit. I don't really know my English.
Right.
All I talk is that money talk.
Money talk.
And you know I'm gonna do that money walk.
Whoa.
So I'm gonna pass it to y'all.
Walk on.
Cause y'all can't do this.
Ooh.
Somebody go ahead and hop on the beat.
Real quick, hop on a little beat, nigga. We going crazy 2019, nigga. Going flip this shit up, make it clean, nigga. Hey, going crazy. You my little baby. Hey, my subscribers. Thank you for subbing and liking. Hey.
This nigga shot at limbs.
Right.
That nigga spell synonym. Put her fit in my main sentence, tastes like cinnamon. What the fuck am I saying? Super Saiyan.
Right.
On a beat, I'm playing.
Sam.
Hopping on beat, not a beat.
Right.
What's up, bitch?
This that denim shit. This that denim shit. This that fake shit. This that fake shit. This that ugly shit. Damn, bro.
Are you ass at this shit?
I am ass, bro.
Hey, who you? Bitch, it's the baby, what you heard about me? I put that nigga up, now niggas acting nervous around me. I'm in the rental truck, stick dumb like Walker, Texas Ranger.